Hello, in front of me I've got Madden NFL 25. In this video I'll show you DB mechanics press, advanced techniques. In the beginning, let's go to skills trainer and go to advanced techniques. Go to DB mechanics press. Open and closed stances. Tap LB during pre-play to change stance. Hold LT to strafe and move at slower but more controlled speed. Hold LT RT to perform crossover block. Faster than strafe speed but still facing the offense. Press the receiver by holding A and using LS to cut off the receiver, then cover the route and deny the catch. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.